Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video we gonna look at password input control. This is also a single line text input, but it marks the character as soon as user enters it. They are also created using HTML input tag, but type attribute is set to password. There are many attributes involved in password input control. Some of them are type, name, value, size, max length. Type indicates the type of input control, and for password input control it will be set to password. Name is used to give a name to the control, which is sent to the server to be recognized and get the value. Value can be used to provide an initial value inside the control. Size allows to specify the width of the text input control in terms of characters. Max length allows to specify the maximum number of characters a user can enter into the text box. Let's see an example. It's all about password input control, and I'll be back with next video.